Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38. Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique and awesome. The man behind the camera is man.
Detail World, what it do, what it do. Man, we made it to this first stop. Yeah, we got out here about 11 something, man. I ain't in a rush. It's the day before the 4th of July. I only got one more car to do after this. I'm not working hard today. But yeah, the car is dirty. This car, every time y'all see it, it is dirty. I have no idea how they get this car that dirty. You know what I mean? They got big kids, so just let me know these people just don't care. But if you look, they got snacks everywhere. You got your sticks and twigs, you got your normal debris, got a little popcorn, got dirt everywhere, all on the seats, all in the back. It's just ridiculous. I don't understand. Like, if it was smaller kids, I can understand if they had smaller kids. But having bigger kids and your car getting this dirty, that just let me know that you're just straight nasty. And I'm sorry to say it like that, but look at the doors. Just look at it, man. Look. So, I'm about to go ahead and get it cracking. Start on this interior real quick, man. And I'm working on this exterior. I'm actually moving to the shade because it's already 2 o'clock in the morning and it's already 90-something degrees. So it is burning up already. But like always, we take so much pride over here in Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do, man. Leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, man. Subscribe. It's free. Hitting that red button costs you nothing. But on that note, like always, continue to be great. Greatness comes from within. And like always, peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finished this first car today, which is this Honda Odyssey, man. We got the whole car completely knocked out. I just hit my shin and it is banging right now. Like banging. But we got the car completely done, in and out. Got all the windows done, you know, the whole 9 yards. Took a little time to do it because y'all saw how dirty it was on the inside. But other than that, we got it cracking. Got all the dirt and debris out of the car. You know what I mean? Y'all remember it was dirt all right there, dirt all in the cup holders, things like that. But we got the car up to par. Definitely finna go park it back, let her know we finished, get paid, things like that. But on that note, I think I still got one more. I really just hit him up to see if I can come Wednesday because I got these kids with me and I still got some things I need to do today. And I don't want to be late to doing them. So on that note, I hope you're having a great day, afternoon or evening, whenever you're watching this video. And like always, one thing I gotta do, and if this is the last one, one love thyself. And like always, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.